there's science now that proves how all of this is possible. It doesn't even need to be explained. It just shows you what is possible, right? And that was all I needed to validate what I have known in my heart for so long. I thought I was so removed from these abilities. I thought I was so removed, but turns out we're not.
There's a saying that those who do not believe in magic will never find it. Meaning that if you do not even believe or perceive something to be possible, how can you actualize it? How can you make it real in your experience? How can you bring it into your realm of reality if it is beyond the barrier of your own belief? So understanding that in order to make real something that others deem improbable, impossible, not likely, you yourself have to believe in the opposite. You yourself have to be convinced, and at the very least sold on the idea that the impossible is possible for you. Because something that is possible for someone else, it's easy to conceptualize. We can conceptualize something being possible for someone else. Oh yeah, so-and-so, they can do that. But not me, not I. So-and-so, that's their experience, but I could never see myself doing that. That's beyond me, right? I'm not that type of person. That's not in my realm of expertise. That's not in my experience. I don't see myself doing that. How can you do it? For most of us, seeing is believing. And there's different types of sight. There's our outer sight, right? See with your eyes. But then there's the inner sight. See with your mind. With that insight, we then make the impossible possible. As Helen Keller once said, while they were arguing amongst themselves, while they were saying amongst themselves, it cannot be done, it was done. Right? And I remember hearing her say, worse than being born blind is having sight, but no vision. Have you ever known someone to have sight but no vision? They did not believe they themselves could achieve. It was as if they could not even conceive of the notion that they could put magic and mystical things into motion. And of course, we can get lost in the ocean, in the sea of possibilities. But as they say, You are not a drop in the ocean. You are the entire ocean in one drop. That means that everything in the cosmos is also in you. If it's been done by someone else, you can too. So believe in yourself. As I believe in you, as we believe in you. Don't let yourself be the last one to believe. And you'll find there is no limit to what you'll achieve. Much love. It's been Jerome Shaw, host of the Open Palm Podcast, coming at you with a message to be mindful of the many possibilities that are limitless in your experience. There's no need to fear it. Just let yourself hear it again and again, and keep that bright spirit. Take care.